Hi, this is Giorgia Ala from Aquilent GI Intervention. Today I would like to introduce you to our new AGS Haemoclips. They are rotatable and removable with an excellent torque response. You can open and close the clip as many times as you want before firing it. They come in 4 different sizes: 9mm, 11mm, 13mm and 16mm. I will just rotate it by releasing the pressure here and rotating the white handle. As you can see, the torque response is really precise and this saves procedure time. Once ready to fire, it's as easy as that. In order to remove them, you can use the snare that you were using during your EMR, and you need to squeeze the little groove on top of the neck of the clip. And it's easily removable as well.